Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. This is A-Team Adventures, and we're traveling across America in our van. We've been in Colorado, and we are peeping the leaves. This week we are coming to you from Twin Lakes, Colorado, and we are camping in quite possibly the most beautiful camping spot we've ever had. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe because we post adventure travel videos twice a week. Now, we are huge lovers of fall, and just seeing the yellow leaves has got me so excited. Leave a comment down below if you're also a lover of fall, and let us know what you're looking forward to most in the fall season. Twin Lakes, Colorado actually sits 21 miles south of Leadville, Colorado, which is the highest elevation city in the United States. Twin Lakes also sits right at the base of Mount Elbert, the tallest peak in Colorado. The naturally formed glacial lakes are Colorado's largest, surrounded by mountains over 13,000 feet high. This setting provides a spectacular backdrop for a wide variety of recreational opportunities. We had seen some fall colors before coming here, but when we arrived here, the yellow was just really starting to approach peak color. This was a dispersed camping area that was right at the base of Mount Elbert, which is that one on the right there. And this campsite was harder to reach where we're standing here. You definitely would want four-wheel drive for a lot of the campsites in this area, but we were able to find one that did not require four-wheel drive. So you don't need it, but you can get to better campsites with it. From our campsite, you could only see one of the Twin Lakes, but from up here on the knoll, you could see both, and it was very spectacular. Another thing that was super special about this spot was, as you can see, it snowed at the higher elevations. And this was one of the first snows in Colorado this year. And it happened on the very first day of fall. It did snow very lightly where we were parked, but it was only overnight, and by the time we woke up, all the snow around us had burned off. We felt so lucky to see the snow and just see the seasons colliding. It was truly breathtaking. This was one of those campsites that we just did not want to leave. I think we stayed here for 4 or 5 days, and that's about the maximum stay for us. Most of these places allow 14 days of camping, but we never make it that long. Usually running out of water or needing a shower before that. When we first started traveling this summer, we were often in a hurry, only staying one night at places, but we found it's much nicer to stick around at a place, stay a couple days, and it kind of gets rid of some of the stress of van life, where you're not worried about finding a spot because you're just there. But this beautiful sunny day did mark the last day that we were staying at this spot. And we just had to soak in the views one more time before we left because it was just really spectacular. And we were off. We were headed out to Cottonwood Pass to take in some more beautiful fall views on our way down to Gunnison, Colorado. And the views here on Cottonwood Pass were great. There was still lots of snow on the mountains, and it was breathtaking. We drove past a few more beautiful aspens on our way to Gunnison, but we will be taking a break from the fall colors for just a couple nights to stay at Hartman Rocks and do some rock climbing. As you can see from this footage, I am still a beginner and I'm scared of heights, so I'm still working on conquering my fears. And Alex is a much better climber than I am. But I still gave it my best, and it was super fun to camp right next to this rock climbing wall. This area, Hartman Rocks, has a ton of dispersed campsites and also a ton of rock climbing, mountain bike trails, pretty much anything you could want in the outdoors. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and let us know how you liked the video. See you next time!